In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on game mode on Windows 11. Game mode is a built-in feature that helps your PC focus its power on the game you're playing. When it's enabled, Windows reduces certain background activity, like update tasks and some notifications, and prioritizes system resources for your game. It won't overclock your hardware or magically double your frame rate, but it can smooth out small stutters and keep performance more consistent while you play. Let's get it turned on. First, open Settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. The Windows key is the one with the little flag logo. This shortcut works from anywhere and brings up the main settings window immediately, so you don't have to leave your desktop or your launcher. Once Settings is open, look at the left sidebar and choose Gaming. This section groups together all the features related to playing and recording games in Windows 11. You'll recognize it by a small controller icon, and it sits alongside other categories like System, Bluetooth, and Privacy. Inside the Gaming section, click on Game Mode. This opens a simple page dedicated to a single switch. You might also see links to related features, such as graphics settings or the Xbox Game Bar, but don't worry, you don't need to adjust those to use Game Mode. We're focusing only on the Game Mode toggle. Now turn on Game Mode by switching that toggle to On. The change takes effect right away. There's no need to restart your PC or your games. From this point on, Windows will actively reduce background interruptions and keep more of your CPU and GPU focused on your game. The setting is persistent too, so it stays enabled the next time you sign in. A few quick tips to get the most from it. Game mode works whether you launch titles from Steam, the Microsoft Store, or other game clients, and it applies in both full screen and windowed modes. Think of it as a consistency boost. Many users notice steadier frame pacing and fewer hiccups rather than a dramatic increase in average FPS. It also coexists with your recording or streaming tools. If a particular overlay or capture app misbehaves in a rare case, you can come back to the same switch, turn it off for that session, and flip it back on afterward. To recap in plain terms, open Settings with Windows plus I, go to Gaming, open Game Mode, and turn it on. When the toggle says On, you're all set. Enjoy smoother, more focused play on Windows 11.